are my leadership styles and ethics. So starting off with my leadership style, I identified myself in 4 different leadership styles that all kind of connect nicely together. So starting off with being a diplomat, and then through that, focusing on transformational and servant leadership, and then also connecting empathy towards those. And so what I kind of saw as a big theme between these leadership styles is that a lot of them are focusing on the community and building the community through strengths and helping others succeed and leverage their strengths to accomplish tasks, and interaction is primary, to inspire them to visions and forming the environment and relationships. And then servant being that reciprocal service. So in me being a servant to my followers, they will be a good follower to my leadership. And so connecting to the 5 core moral values of ethics, I connected these leadership styles to compassion and respect. So that leads us back into leadership characteristics. So I identified myself as having the characteristics of humility, which connects nicely to the core value of respect, focus, which connects back to the core value of responsibility, and integrity, which connects back to the core value of honesty. So humility being the self-confidence and self-awareness to recognize the value of others without feeling treated or threatened, which goes back to my community building styles. And then leaders focus on results of what must be achieved by themselves, by others in the company. And then integrity is truthfulness, is the foundation quality of the trust that is necessary for the success of any business. And so moving on to leadership traits, I like to lead by example. They also know that they must lead by example to truly earn the will of their followers, which connects back to the core value of responsibility. That is very much ingrained in me from my childhood and my upbringing of if somebody else is working, I'm working right along with them. And so I lead by example based on that kind of past background that I have. And then community builder, of course, connects directly back to my leadership style. He knows that a healthy community for children and staff will contribute to stability, retention, and investment, connecting to the core values of respect and compassion. And then the leadership ethic that I connected well with was the ethic of care. The decision-making requires leaders to consider multiple voices, which connects nicely to a professional development I just did last year, which was virtue-based restorative discipline, which focuses on hearing all the voices and the virtues allowed in a situation and conflict. Things I need to improve on are visionary, strategic planning, pragmatic, and action, so that I can kind of apply those to different situations as needed. Here are my standard correlations and my references.